Alright, to everybody that want to stream that don't know how to have a PlayStation, this is how you do it. Hold the PlayStation share button, click on broadcast. You can either stream on YouTube or Twitch. I'm about to stream on YouTube while I'm streaming on Twitch. Alright, this is streaming on YouTube. Click the name real quick. Hey, hold on real quick, Kraken. Let me show them how to do this. Somebody asked me this the other day. I'm gonna name it 1v1 my viewers. Alright. Hold on. I'm almost done, bro. And then I'm gonna put room number. What's the room number again? 986-947. 986-947. All right. Block that off. Boom. Description, I ain't gonna do no description. Only tag I'm gonna do is Bro Holla. That way y'all can know how to find me on YouTube. Bro Holla. Privacy public. And then that's all you do, man. Click live. For anybody that don't know how to do it, bro, that's the easy way how to stream on YouTube. And now I'm streaming on YouTube. Let's get it.
Bye, have a great time.